Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, we will walk you through the process of adding a new user and a staff member. A user is a licensee of CloudLIMS who can access the application and can perform activities based on the assigned rights, whereas a staff member is not a licensed user of CloudLIMS and cannot access the application. Records of staff members are saved in CloudLIMS for tracking purposes only. To add a new user, navigate to the Application Settings module and switch to User or Staff Accounts. Click Add User and then select a user role. The login status is active by default. Now specify a username and a password for the new user. Specify first name, last name, user group, email, and other details in the User Information section. You can choose to attach the CV of the user. To attach the CV, click Attach User CV, press Add, and then choose Files. Now select a file, press Open, enter a remark, and then press Upload Files. Press Close, and then Save. To add a staff member, click Add Staff, and then select a user role for the staff member. The login status is inactive by default. Now specify first name, last name, user group, email, and other details in the User Information section. You can choose to attach the CV of the staff member, and then save. If you would like to add a new user role, navigate to the Application Settings module and then to Form Configurations. Select User Staff Accounts from the module drop-down menu. Select User Role and press Edit. Under Attribute Categories, select Add, enter a user role, press Save, and then Update. Thank you for watching the video. For any suggestions or questions, please email us at support@cloudlims.com or call 1-302-789-0447.